Trailers, manufactured in Meeker, Pennsylvania, produce some of the highest quality cargo and utility trailers in the industry. Established in 1982, their trailers are handcrafted from the ground up. All parts are made in the United States, and the production process is environmental friendly.
These here are our spring covers that we put inside our trailers.
We do flat, downs, overhead. It's all MIG weld. We have to cut holes with plasma. We have to cut parts with plasma.
Okay, so basically what happens is the weld shop will put together lengths of steel, and they'll do it so in a very square manufacturing process that allows them to build the frames and things of the trailer. Then that trailer, during that whole process, gets very dirty, and that dirt all has to be washed off. And we wash it off with a chemical called a phosphatization process. That gets the trailer looking very clean and nice and blue. That means it's acceptable for paint. Then it dries for approximately 4 to 5 hours. So all the water comes off it. Then we put it into a primer. You saw Mark spraying the primer over there. It's gray in color. We use a different color primer versus top coat so we can make sure that we're hitting all of the necessary areas to get a correct coat of primer and a correct top coat of black in there.
Trailer here that's in final finish has a full one-piece roof. We offer a limited lifetime warranty on our roof and flooring, 10 years on axle beams, basically limited lifetime warranty on LED lighting and all that. You see this one's about ready to go out. A 5-year workmanship on all of our work that we do on all of our trailers. So, you know, if there's a problem, usually arises early, and we take care of everything here. So.